Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import fonts into your web pages. As you can see here, I have one index HTML page and one CSS page. So as you can see, I've already connected my CSS to the HTML. So and I'm going to be showing you how to use these fonts. There is this website called Google Fonts. You can visit. There are lots of fonts that you can use for your website, to create your website, I mean. So as you can see, we got some fonts here. So I'm going to be showing you how to use these fonts. Okay. So all you need is go back to your index HTML index page, and let's start with the H1, maybe in the header, and so all you need is come here, and maybe we can choose like something like sports. Then you create a class inside the H1 and name this class maybe H1, and we paste it and open our browser. You can see the font doesn't change, so I'm going to show you how to change this font. So all you need is come to your CSS page. Copy this H1, come to CSS, open curly brackets. Maybe you can add some font size, 50 pixel, some line height, 62 pixel. So for you to import fonts, all you need is go to your Google Fonts. I will leave the link description below. So go to Google Fonts and choose this font. Maybe you can choose this one. Say add, open, and all you need is copy this link and paste it on top of your style sheet. Okay, make sure you paste it on top of your style sheet. Okay, now we need to go and copy the font family for our CSS and paste it. Save, refresh your page, and you can see the font has changed. So, and what we can also add some paragraph. And let's copy a couple bunch of paragraphs maybe. So let's copy this maybe. And create a class inside the P, and we name it maybe paragraph. Copy this class, in curly brackets. You can add some font size, 50 pixel, some line height, 62 pixel. Now you need font family, and you need to import your fonts from Google again. Go to your Google Fonts and choose another font. Maybe you can choose this one maybe. Add, copy the link, paste it in your index page. Now let's go and copy the CSS, the font font family down here. Save and refresh your browser. That takes some couple minutes. As you can see, the font has already changed. We have new fonts. So let's try adding more paragraph maybe. and choose a different font and see how it changes. P again, and maybe so let's create a class inside the paragraph class. We name it paragraph 2, maybe paragraph 2. Now copy this class into your CSS. Okay, so you can have some font size, line height 62. So as I said, now go back to Google Fonts, choose a new font. Okay, first you can refresh this page also. Okay, as you can see, nothing has changed. So go to your Google Fonts, choose another font, choose a new font. Let's choose this one, maybe add, copy the link, paste it down here. Now all we need is go and copy the font family, copy this font into your CSS page. Now we're going to see the font's going to change. Close your refresh your page. As you can see, the font has already changed. So as guys, I wanted to show you that now you can, I hope you benefited. Now you can use this Google font to change your fonts whenever you're creating your blog or a website. Okay, so I hope you guys, one thing, please make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos, as I'm going to be uploading more videos on every week, twice maybe. So keep update please, and subscribe to my channel, like, share also. Thank you, see you next time.